for quick, healthy recipes? Hello, and welcome to Saguaro. We're featuring 10 healthy recipes that are so quick and easy, you can whip them up in just 5 minutes. The best thing? You can even give your microwave a day off because you won't need it. Be sure to watch the whole video or you'll miss out on our additional quick and easy healthy drink recipes at the end. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more of our videos for a healthy mind, body, and soul. Here are 10 healthy meals that you can prepare in just 5 minutes. Number 1. 3-ingredient stir fry. This simple but filling meal is so simple to make. Heat up a pan with a bit of olive oil over medium heat. Then add tofu or any other fully cooked leftover meats such as rotisserie chicken. Mix in your favorite veggies and sauce like sweet and sour or teriyaki sauce. Then serve it on top of a bed of rice. And just like that, you have a delicious, healthy meal in just 5 minutes. You can skip the takeout altogether. Number 2. 5-minute pasta salad. This quick pasta salad is great for a healthy lunch, or it can be prepared ahead of time for a perfect picnic. Here's what you need. 2 teaspoons finely chopped red onion, 1 teaspoon capers, 1 tablespoon pesto, 2 teaspoons olive oil, 185-gram can of tuna in spring water drained, 100 grams of leftover pasta, 3 sun-dried tomatoes chopped. Mix the onion, capers, pesto, and olive oil. Then, into a bowl, flake the tuna with the pasta and tomatoes. Stir in the pesto mix, and that's it. Quick and easy. Number 3. Pan-fried cheese sandwich. Looking for a grilled cheese sandwich that's out of the ordinary? You gotta try this. What you'll need: 2 thick slices of wheat bread, a wedge of camembert or brie, 85 grams or 3 ounces, a spoonful of cranberry sauce, butter, and a few drops of balsamic vinegar, which is optional. Butter the wheat bread. Then put a wedge of the cheese on the unbuttered side of 1 slice of the bread. Top the cheese with a spoonful of cranberry sauce. You can also drizzle a few drops of balsamic vinegar if you have some. Then put the second slice of bread on top, buttered side out. Fry in a hot, non-stick pan, pressing down for a minute or 2 on each side. Fry until golden brown or melting. Cut it in half and eat right away while it's still hot. Number 4. Quick fancy ramen. Forget microwave meals when you can make your own fancy ramen in just minutes. Start by simmering bouillon or broth on the stove. Add instant ramen or leftover spaghetti. Thinly slice any leftover meat, such as pork belly, chicken, or beef, and add it into your ramen along with any veggies that you have in the fridge. And just like that, fancy ramen in 5 minutes. Number 5. Cheesy egg skillet. Eggs are loaded with healthy proteins that are important for the body, so there's no reason why they should only be used for breakfast. They can also be perfect for dinner. Start by sautéing any veggies that you have. Add sausage of your choice. Make 3 wells and crack 1 egg in each of the wells. Sprinkle on some of your favorite grated cheese and season with salt and pepper. Cover the pan and turn off the heat. Let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes and your dinner is ready. Number 6. Chicken teriyaki quesadilla. It's teriyaki chicken stuffed in a cheesy quesadilla. It doesn't get much better than that. What you'll need: rotisserie chicken shredded, store-bought teriyaki sauce, 4 flour tortillas uncooked, 2 cups of cheddar cheese grated, taco seasoning optional. Put your shredded rotisserie chicken into a bowl. Add your teriyaki sauce and mix well. Place your filling in a tortilla and top with grated cheese. You can also add a dash of taco seasoning for a spicy kick. Place another tortilla on top and cook the quesadilla over medium until the cheese is melted and the tortilla is crispy. Number 7. Easy Peasy Mint Soup. What you'll need: 450-gram bag of frozen peas, 800 milliliters of boiling hot water, 1 tablespoon vegetable bouillon powder, a handful of fresh mint, 1 teaspoon chopped mint to serve, and cream to serve. Place the frozen peas into a blender and pour the boiling hot water on top. Let the peas defrost and then take out 1 tablespoon of the pea mixture and reserve it for later. Add the mint and vegetable bouillon powder to the soup and blend until smooth. To serve, top with a drizzle of cream, chopped mint, and the reserved pea mixture. Number 8. Turkey and spring onion wraps. Why let your leftover turkey go to waste when you can use it for this fantastic recipe? What you'll need: 2 tablespoons reduced fat mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons pesto, 4 curly lettuce leaves, 250 grams cooked turkey shredded, 6 spring onions shredded, 1 cucumber shredded, 4 flour tortillas. Mix the mayo and pesto together. Then divide the lettuce leaves, turkey, spring onions, and cucumber among the 4 tortillas. Drizzle the mayo pesto dressing on the tortillas, and then roll them up. These super quick sandwich tortillas are a great way to give yourself a low-fat treat while using up leftover turkey from your fridge. Number 9. Pita Pockets on the go. These quick, versatile, and filling pita pockets are an upgraded sandwich substitute. You can easily take them with you during your busy days. What you'll need: pita bread, cooked chicken or ground turkey, hummus, 1 cucumber diced, salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, mix your cooked meat of choice with the diced cucumber and hummus. Season the filling with salt and pepper to your preferred taste. Toast the pita bread and slice it in half. Add the filling into the pita pockets, and you're good to go. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Number 10. Speedy Tuna Pasta Salad. What you'll need: 400 grams leftover cooked penne pasta, 100-gram can tuna in oil, 400-gram can cannellini beans, half of a red onion finely chopped, half a cup sliced cherry tomatoes, 1 cup shredded lettuce, zest and juice of 1 lemon, handful of parsley chopped, 1 teaspoon ground chilies, salt and pepper to taste. Warm the leftover pasta in a pan over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the pasta into a large bowl and mix through all the other ingredients. You can also do this with chilled pasta. Just add the cold pasta into a bowl and it will still taste great. This salad can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 days. Those are the healthy food recipes you can make in just 5 minutes. Now, here are some cool and refreshing healthy drinks that you can make in a flash. Yogurt breakfast drink. Sleepyheads rejoice! You're going to love this quick and dreamy smoothie. What you'll need: 2 cups vanilla yogurt, 2 cups peach yogurt, half a cup orange juice, half a cup fat-free milk, 2 cups ice cubes. In a blender, combine the ingredients and process until smooth. Pour into your favorite glass and enjoy. Watermelon cucumber cooler. This healthy drink is not only refreshing, it is delicious. What you'll need: 1 cup watermelon cut into small pieces with the seeds removed, 1 cup cucumber cut into small pieces with the seeds removed, 1 tablespoon honey, ice, 2 mint leaves. Add the watermelon, cucumber, and honey to a blender and mix until smooth. Transfer it to an ice-filled glass and garnish with mint leaves. There you have it, a healthy and delicious drink in just minutes. Kiwi Pear Summer Delight. With its sweet and tangy taste, you're going to love this beverage that's perfect for summer. What you'll need: half a cup diced pear, 1 cup diced kiwi, 1/4 cup water, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. Pour into a glass and add some ice. And that's it. It's easy, healthy, and refreshing. Do you have a favorite quick and easy healthy recipe? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Click the notification bell or we'll put aluminum foil in your microwave. Check out our other videos.